Hey guys, good morning. Is there one part of off-road recreation that you just really don't like? Me too, and we're about to get into it, so stick around. All right guys, so it is the first day of 2024, and we're gonna start off the new year recovering from the fire and ice up in Hot Springs, Arkansas. Just got back last night, and now we're about to clean everything up. And I'm hoping that this product I'm about to use is going to help me out. This is that one part of off-road recreation I really don't care for, but it's a necessity, cleaning everything up and putting it away. So I got this, in full disclosure, the company reached out to me and said, hey, would you try this out and let us know what you think, do a video. So why not? I'm always looking for reasons to do videos. We got this wheel cleaner. We have a degreaser that's an aerosol, and we have this degreaser that's in a little squirt bottle thing. So we're gonna get busy and see how this stuff works, and I will let you know if it makes my life easier recovering raggedy red. So stick around, let's go get busy. All right guys, so I got this super clean all wheel cleaner, and we're gonna try it out first on the crawler hauler. So let's read the directions. Clean one wheel at a time, rinse wheel thoroughly with cold water. Okay. Okay, next step. Coat wheel surface with super clean all wheel cleaner from 6 inches away. Allow foaming action to work for 30 seconds. For extremely dirty wheels, agitate with soft brush or sponge. Rinse wheel thoroughly, dry with a soft, clean towel to prevent water spots. All right, we're gonna let it sit just for a few seconds. Okay, it's been 30 seconds. We're gonna rinse thoroughly with cool water. Okay, so there's the super clean all wheel cleaner. Foams away grime and brake dust. Super easy, super fast. It was fast, it was easy. Not so sure that it's gonna really get in there and get some of this grime out, but I mean it looks clean. So I'm gonna show you a cleaned wheel, and then we'll look at a dirty wheel that I haven't done, and maybe that comparison will be a little more telling. So there you have it. There's the super clean wheel cleaner, all wheel cleaner. Finished.